everyone, this is Bonnie from Eastern Tech. Today I will going to show you our company. This is cut samples from our customers and our verified documents. Now let's go to see our new machines. Let's go! This is our new model EW21C automatic 3-end 2x3-end terminal crimping machine. This is machine outlook and English touch screen. Also can make other languages if you need. Machine 3 sets of the crimping machine, 3 sets of the high precision crimping applicator. This applicator is for 2-wise joint crimp. This is the finished product and Y sensor machine. If the after finish crimp, the Y will go across the Y sensor. 3 sets of the high precision crimping applicator. This applicator is for 2-wise joint crimp. This is the finished product and Y sensor machine. If the after finish crimp, the Y will go across the Y sensor. Welcome to contact us for more details.